Hello everyone, welcome back. In this code, we are going to find out the second largest element in the list. So basically there are two methods. Firstly, firstly we will use the sorting function, but in the intros, the interviewer will ask that don't use the sorting function, use some other method, use some other without sorting and all, without building functions. So that also we have to learn. So let's start, guys. So firstly, I will tell you the sorting method. Like we will have the val equal to. So firstly, 5 is the second largest element in the list. So after that, we will go for new method. So basically, some issue has came. Let's check in the chat. You did try to debug this. Oh, sorry, I put like INF in a string only. It's like it's a float. Now finally we got that 5. So basically, firstly we have iterated the string. After that we checked that number is greater than first. If the number is greater than first, then second first will be the second. Then first will be stored in the second, and first will be stored in number will be stored in the first. Means the number first value will come in the first. So after that number is greater than second. If number is greater than second and number is not equal to first, then second will begin. And this is the basically logic for. Thank you very much.